Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech and Cryptos. Today in this video, let's learn about how to create YouTube channel. So let's get started. For that, let's get into YouTube app. Now click on this profile icon over here and let's click on Suites account. And here we can see this option called add account. Simply tap on this. So here we need to click on create account and let's click on for my personal use. Now we need to enter all of the details and create a fresh new Google account. We need to get into this interface and click on view your channel. Now let's click on customize channel. Now you can go and change all of the details you want, like name, handle and description. You can add all of the information, and this is the link for your YouTube channel, and you can add other links as well to make your profile more visible. You can add the contact information. Once you are done with all of the information, your account, that is your YouTube channel, will finally be created. So that is all. I hope you liked the video. Please do like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.